Hi guys, here 6 plus 9 is 15. Divide by 3 times. Here 2 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 15 divided by 3 is 5 times. Here 2 plus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 5 times. Here 2 plus 1 is 3 square. Here 5 times 3 square is 9. Here 5 times 9 is 45 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 45 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 6 plus 9 divided by 3 times a bracket is 2 plus 1 is 3 square. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 3 square. We have to do this 3 square before this operation. Here 6 plus 9 divided by 3 times 3 square is 9. Here next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 divided by 3. So we have to do this 9 divided by 3 before this operation. Here 6 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 9. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 6 plus here 3 times 9 is 27. Here 6 plus 27 is 33 is the